find affordable homes to buy is to target price-reduced homes. There were 51 price-reduced homes this week in the middle of a hot market here in Kitsap County. 9% of price-reduced homes have been on market over 100 days. 40% of the price-reduced homes on market over 100 days are priced at or below the median home price for Kitsap County of $580,000. 7 of these homes are priced under $400,000 and look to finance either VA or FHA or both. Of the 7 homes that have been on market over 100 days, all of them but one have over 80% equity in those homes. And that's where an even better opportunity falls for home buyers. Homes with significant equity like this are prime homes to make what we call 50-30-20 or 50-40-10 financing offers. If you don't know what that is, you can Google it or look at some of our other videos. This is where you use institutional financing to cover 50% of your loan, to owner financing to finance with better terms and finance the remainder of the purchase. This typically results in a better purchase situation for the home buyer. How sellers benefit from owner financing is outside our scope for this video. It's a tax question. Home buyers use this technique to find motivated sellers. Negotiate good terms for your home purchase. Terms in a home purchase can often be more important than the home purchase price.